What's up guys, it's Sarah, welcome back to my channel. So basically, first of all, I look like a hot mess. Second of all, I did an empty apartment tour when I first moved here, and then now my room is done, so I thought I would do like a very detailed room tour. Like I'm gonna tell you where I got everything, the story behind everything in my room in case you want to replicate any part of it or are curious. Let's get started. Okay, this is kind of dramatic, but we're gonna do like a point of view. So you open the door, voila. Okay, so you're me, hello. You walk into my room, we have some empty space here, and then we're gonna go directly right. So, one of the main features of my room are these posters. I have 6 of them total, and they represent the 6 cities that I've lived in for, you know, at least 3 months. Some of them more than 6 months. Ann Arbor, born and raised, internship for 3 months, lived there for a year, lived there for 6 months, lived there for a year, and just got here. But hopefully we'll be here a while. The story behind these is there's this company called Mapiful, and they have like maps that you can design. And so my friend and I, Anusha and I, by the way, 95% of this room is thanks to my friend Anusha. She inspired a lot of it. She helped me with like every part of it. Shout out to Anusha. Basically, her and I went on Mapiful, we designed these prints, and then we took screenshots, and then we like put our own filter on it, and then we took them to FedEx, and FedEx quoted us for one of these posters to be $30. And then the next day they were like, oh, you only bought one. And then we kind of went Karen on them, aka Anusha went Karen on them, and we got all 6 for the price of 1. So that is the story behind those prints. Then when you walk here, you see this cute little situation. Now this is from Shein. I actually got this for probably like $5 on Shein. And I just like to hang it. It gives a little bit of a bohemian vibe. And then you open this, and this baby is my closet. So what I've done with my closet, I have this shoe hanger, which I don't know where this shoe hanger thing is from, but I've had it for a very long time. It holds a good amount of shoes. I kind of wish it held more, but this is like crucial when you don't have that much storage space. And then I actually love how big the closet is. Like I got all my hangers from Target, literally like $2.50 for a pack of 18. So I just bought a bunch of those. And like my closet goes, like this fits a lot of stuff. So I hang a lot of my clothes. And then up here, I stack my bigger sweaters. I've always liked stacking my sweaters, so that's what I do there. And then I also have my laundry hamper, which is like this gray one from Amazon. I have my ring light in there. I have this little basket, which I got from my friend, so I'm not sure where she got that. And then I just put all my blankets in here, and this is like my little blanket basket. Got my yoga mat, my Lululemon yoga mat, and then this bin in here is just full of all my sports stuff. So like my roller blades, my spike ball set, all the sports stuff. So that is my closet. I like to keep it closed because it's a little, you know, a lot of colors going on in there. And then we have my nightstand. This nightstand I got for $10 at the thrift store out of the closet in San Francisco. Amazing, I know. And then I love this whole little set. I just think they all go very well together. The lamp my dad got on Amazon, and this plant I got from somebody, so no idea. And this is from Ross. This candle, it smells so good. I don't even have a candle lighter though, so I need to get one. And then I just have my speaker, my Anchor speaker from Amazon. And this is like my little nightstand setup. I love it. The first drawer is essentials, like, I don't know, you know, just picture the essentials, like my masks and stuff. The second drawer is like my laptop cases, some paintbrushes, and my camera case. My bed set, guys, my bed set is probably one of my favorite parts of this whole room. Doesn't it look so, it just looks so bougie and fancy, and like honestly it wasn't even that expensive. So the whole comforter with the white sheets under it, with this pillow and these two pillow sheets as well as this pillow sheet, all that came together. And the whole thing, literally, like this is like a full-on blanket, was $79 from Marshall's. So I always get my bed sets from Marshall's. I think they have the best deals and they have super cute sets. And so super fan of those. The pillows, these 3 pillows I just already had. I got these 2 king size pillows from Marshall's as well. And then these sheets are like the silk covers, got from Amazon. So that is my whole bed setup. It is so cozy and amazing. And then guys, we gotta go below the bed, because below the bed is where a lot of the magic happens. Below the bed, well, first of all, this is like my blanket that I hide that's super comfortable but not aesthetic. So that's hidden underneath the aesthetic one. But here we have a bunch of these 41 quart whatever bins from Target. And this is where I store a bunch of stuff because my closet's not big enough for my pants. So this whole first drawer is full of my pants. And then this whole second one is full of my skirts and leggings. And then this full bin is full of my bags. And then I have my air mattress hidden under there. So yeah, I just have to pull these out when I want to get like pants and stuff. But it's hidden for the most part. And then also hidden is my 10-pound weight for working out. By the way, my bed frame is from Amazon as well. And so is my mattress pad. My whole bed is like a full size bed. I'm gonna link everything in case you're curious. Also, I do prefer a firmer mattress for my back. So it is on like the firmer side, which I enjoy. I have some of my paint stuff, like my canvases and acrylic paints just hidden here for now. On this side, we have another plastic bin. This one has like my athletic workout stuff, as well as some like storage felt bins. And then we have these little cubes, which again, got from Amazon. And here I like to just store a bunch of like random stuff. You know, you always have to have like that random stuff. We have another bin also full of random stuff, just, you know, nicely tucked under. And then a couple pairs of shoes that I could not fit in my shoe rack. So that's what's going on under my bed. But that's, you know, only you guys get to know that because that's top secret info. And then here, okay, so this is the first time I've ever had a TV in my room. It's kind of game changing, I'm not gonna lie, because you can kind of just sit on your bed and be cozy and watch Grey's Anatomy. So my TV is from Amazon. Not the biggest thing, but it's a Roku TV and it gets the job done. This 9 cubicle thing is from Target. I think it was only $40. Super easy to assemble as well. And these little, the cubes inside, the white ones are from Amazon, and it came in a set of 8, which is why I put 6 in there and 2 under my bed. And then these gray felt ones I just already had, so I kind of did like a little, you know, white and then gray, just kept it neutral. So what I store in them, this one's bras, this one's like socks and underwear. This one is like makeup and tissues and like a mirror. This one we have shorts. This one we have all the lotions and contact solutions and perfumes. Then this one we have hair accessories / accessories in general, like fanny pack, headbands, hats, all that stuff. And then here we have all my swimsuits. And then this one is all my lounge clothes / pajamas, and 1 pair of sports shorts got in there. But you know, just my lounge clothes that I need to reach for easily. And then this is like my tool / miscellaneous one. So like my tape measure, all my cords and stuff, all that. And then next to my TV in this little corner, we have this Christmas tree, which is actually from our San Francisco room. And we salvaged it and put it in here. And it actually does light up. So the tree itself is from Amazon, and then I also bought lights to put on top of it. So look, there's like different modes. There's some that are like really dramatic. This one just like has a little bit of sprinkle. Some of them are like really flashy, you know. It just depends on your mood. So that's the really cute part. And then I just put my guitar and ukulele there because I don't know where else to put it, and I think it's kind of cute, you know? So that's my little corner. This whole thing right here, well, my window, first of all, looks out into kind of a little bit of our courtyard, which they're gonna put tables in here later. But it's kind of cool because I can just see my neighbors walk by. It's kind of awkward sometimes, but it keeps me entertained. There's a lot of dogs that live here, so I'll see them like running around. My work from home setup is right here. It's very crucial to have that work from home setup, you know? So let's talk about this chair first. So this chair is actually red underneath. I thrifted it for like $12, and then got this chair cover to put over it. So tip, if the chair doesn't match your aesthetic, you can always throw a cover on it. And honestly, this is like the softest, plushest chair of all time. It is so comfortable. I can sit on it all day doing my work and I'll be totally fine. So that's the story behind that. This table I've just had for a while. So I put it here and it's like pretty big. So I like have all my electronics, the monitor I actually got from my office. The standing desk, which is a little lifesaver, like this goes up and down. And I just have this cute little, so this is actually supposed to be like a candle holder, you know? But I use it as a pencil case because I think it's super cute, and you know, I don't have a candle that fits in here, so I might as well use it as a pencil case. Then I have these super cute succulents, which I got from, I think, yeah, I got these from IKEA actually for super cheap. They're fake, by the way. But I think they're just a cute little thing to pop on the windowsill. My diffuser, which my friend Crystal gave me, and this is from Amazon, but it works super well. It just, you know, you drop some essential oils in there and it flows out. I think my favorite part of the whole room is this mirror. This mirror is pretty much floor to ceiling. Check it out. It's huge. It's even bigger in person. And it's like gold and wood. And this baby was literally only $89 at HomeGoods. So one of the best finds ever. Mirrors are expensive, guys. Like this could easily be $200, but I got it for $89. This trash can right here, I was like, I didn't buy this, I was gifted this, but I thought it matched my aesthetic because it is gold. And then, I don't know if you can see, but like, I have extension cords all along the ground and they're like black and it just looked really messy. So I got white duct tape and I duct taped it along there so that it's like less visible when you're like looking at it. So yeah, that's a thing. And then, you know, I have my lovely fan that keeps me not too hot. And that is basically my room. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my little room tour. Hope you got some inspiration, some ideas. Alright, peace out y'all.